What's up guys, it's your girl Emily Rockets. So today we're going to be opening up even more Mega Gross Minis. We've opened up these in the past. I've made part 1, part 2, part 3, and I think part 4. Yeah, part 4. Of the spider. 2 of the French fries. 2 of the rock dogs. I'll forget some new ones. The raw rat milk. Sick Tuck phone. The McMagic burger. The Sewers rat pie. Gasco hot sauce. 2 throw noodles. Puke Spew shoes. Snotverse Converse shoes. And the Santa Ooze skateboard. The catalog. And the McCavities toothpaste. So I have a lot already. So let's get these open. And see what we got inside. There we go. Here's bomb number 1. I'm making this video in my mom's room because my mom and Tyke are in the sitting room. Alright, oh, we got this Gumball Soup sticker. Perhaps I'm out of color. Please, some new ones. I think this is like the, yep, it's the Spewy Sushi. That's really cool, that's a new one. Oh, the nutritional facts. Non-nutritional facts. Rotten fish heads, old fishing hooks, fish eyeballs, prawn intestines, and crabs. Packed unfresh, not suitable for humans or fish. Do not eat ever. This one's really flat. Oh! Yes! The Puro Buncho Pooloons. That's a really funny one. That's a new one. And it's really flat. Oh, this one's really big. Okay. I can kind of see it through the bag. Oh, it's the popcorn. Whoa! 3 new ones. Off-corn with real cockroach crunch. That's really cool. A new one. Really cool. Okay, let's open up our next one. Number 2. That's a really big whip. There you go. hot dog sticker. New sticker. These ones feel really thick. This feels like I'm gonna drink or something. Oh no! Another hot dog! Aww! Another double! This one's supposed to be small and they're really big too. And this is the Offalos. Yep! Whoa! Offalo! It's a brain. That's really cool. Oh no. I can kind of see it through the bag. Oh, this is Pickers. Yes! Pickers! We got a couple of new ones. We got only one double. Good. Oh, it's a finger. That's really cool. It's not. I can't see the nutritional facts. But pretty cool. We got some new ones. Really cool. All these little bags. I have a lot now. Couple of doubles, but a lot of new ones. That was really cool, guys. If you want me to open up even more of these, then you can fly over to my next video in your spaceship. So, bye-bye.